What's up, guys? Welcome to another K-Card Short. We are actually at the home of American hockey, the U.S. Hockey Hall of Fame. McAvoy, that's a good card right there. And Joe Eriksson-Ek, Brandon Shen, Andrei Vasilevsky, Andrei Burakovsky on the MVP card. That's kind of cool. I don't know much about these cards, but know some of the players. Brady Tkachuk, Connor McDavid. There we go, guys. A Connor McDavid at the U.S. Hockey Hall of Fame. How about that? Cole Caulfield, that's a good card. Austin Matthews, that's a really good card too. And Igor Shesterkin. There you go, guys. Thanks, guys. Hit that like and subscribe. We'll talk to you later.